we commemorate the entry of Jesus in Jerusalem as the people cheered and really sang the Hosanna to the Son of David. They prepared palms, cloaks for them to really welcome Jesus in Jerusalem and to consider him as their king, the Son of David. So this is the entry of Jesus in Jerusalem that would also start his passion.